In this video, we'll explore the top 5 sewing machines of 2025, perfect for bringing your creative projects to life. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. At number 5, Singer M10150 Lightweight and Portable Sewing Machine. The Singer M1150 is designed for ease of use, offering a lightweight and portable solution for beginners. It comes with 8 built-in stitches, including essential and decorative options. The free arm makes it easy to sew hems, cuffs, and other small projects. A simple dial allows quick stitch selection. Perfect for quick repairs and small-scale creations, its compact design fits well in tight spaces or for travel. A great entry-level machine for casual sewing needs.
At number 4, Janome 2212. Janome's 2212 model is praised for its simplicity and durability. It offers 12 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole function. The machine's free arm design makes it easy to sew cuffs and sleeves. It features adjustable stitch length and width for versatility. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for smaller workspaces. The sturdy build quality ensures longevity, a reliable machine for everyday sewing needs. At number 3, Singer 4423 Heavy Duty. This model is built for speed and strength with a powerful motor that can handle thick fabrics like denim and canvas. It offers 23 built-in stitches for versatility. The stainless steel bed plate ensures smooth fabric flow. An automatic needle threader saves time and effort. It sews up to 1,100 stitches per minute, ideal for large projects. Durable and dependable, it's a favorite among experienced sewists. Its robust build stands up to heavy use.
At number 2, JUKI TL-2000Qi. This high-performance sewing machine is favored by professionals and serious hobbyists. It features a powerful motor and aluminum die-cast construction for reduced vibration. The extended sewing area is perfect for quilting. It offers an automatic thread cutter for efficiency. Bright LED lighting ensures visibility during detailed work. It operates quietly despite its power. An excellent choice for precision sewing.
We've covered some excellent machines, but the best is yet to come. If you're enjoying the list, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more reviews. Now let's check out number 1. At number 1, Brother XR9550. The Brother XR9550 offers a perfect balance of advanced features and user-friendly design. It boasts 165 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom options. An intuitive LCD screen allows easy stitch selection and adjustments. Automatic needle threading and quick-set bobbins save time and effort. Lightweight for its class, it's easy to transport to sewing classes or groups. Ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists looking for versatility. Here is our top 5 list. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Happy shopping!